This is Kiss. She's a cynical parrot. Today, all that Kiss wants is little head scratches. It's important when you're working with birds to figure out what they prefer as their reward. And it's great to have multiple rewards that work with a bird. So sometimes we use, I can get some out. Sometimes with Kiss, we use almonds, and she likes those. But sometimes she doesn't want it. Sometimes all she wants is a little scratch. So, almonds are not a part of her regular diet. They are part of the training reward. So, that's how she gets them. She earns them. And, of course, she was somebody's pet before, so being here at the zoo, it's important we take some time with her and give her lots of love. So.